This video I want to show you how to have this trig identity. Secant theta times cotan theta equals to cosecant theta. So secant, as you know, is equal to 1 over cosine. That's the inverse of cosine. And cotan is cosine divided by sine theta. So when we want to do any kind of trig identities, we need to go from left to right or from right to left. Or sometimes we can start from left and we can start from right until we get the third equations. Okay, so when we get to the third equation, the same thing, it means that that's proven. So usually you started with the most complicated part. So for example, in this case is the left side of the trig identity. So I'm going to start with the left one. So I convert everything to cosine and sine. So then now you can cancel these two. It's going to be equal to 1 over sine theta. And as we know, 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant theta.